Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate WSDL file in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, log in into your Salesforce account. After that, you will need just to go to your setup page. So here, we click on this icon. To go to the setup menu, we click on setup, and from here we will find this quick find box. Here we want just to type API, and here we will find the API integrations. So from here we can already find the API WSDL. So from here, we want to generate our metadata to save the XML WSDL file to our file system. So basically, we need to generate the enterprise WSDL and also the metadata WSDL. So here you click on generate the WSDL and also first you will need to have the administrator or user who has the modify all data permission. So you will need just to have the privileges, and basically you will be able to generate this SDL or the enterprise WSDL file, and also you can do the same for your metadata. So after you're having your permission that's been granted, you will need just to click on generate, and then you can save it into your file system. So basically this is or those are the steps to follow to be able to create or generate your WSDL files for your organization. Thank you for watching and see you next time.